Hi. Hi everybody, and welcome to Seasparkle's Corner. Today we're gonna do a birthday cake. I've already made, you see me make cakes before, and I frosted it with blue frosting. Kind of matches the pictures. So I had this made. It's got fish on it. There's Doris, and it's kind of appropriate because the blue fish is Doris. So, and her name is Doris. So here it is, what you're gonna see, and I'm gonna put it on there, right there. And you've seen me do it before. I take off the corner and fill it out, open it, and you can only close it once. You can only put it on there once. So I'm going to line it up, and here it is. Here it is. There's the bluefish Doris and all that, and you're going to see her party a little bit later, and there it is. So this is part one of Doris's birthday, and I got the fondant from there, and there it is. It's so pretty, it's so cute. And thank you for watching. Feel free to share, feel free to subscribe. And as always, the fun never ends in Seasparkle's Corner. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thank you. Bye, everybody.